Vachahu, that you wish you well. You know, that Adam Rishon, he lived about 930 years. And the Torah don't talk too much about his life. I mean, look, if you see about Moshe Rabbeinu, he only lived 120 years. And the whole Torah talk about him. Abraham, Yitzhak and Yaakov, they did not live long time. They lived less than 150 years, less than 200 years. But the Torah talk about them a lot. Look, Avraham Avinu, the Torah talk about him three parashiot. The Torah talk about him Noah, Lech Lecha, Vayeran, Hayesara, and 4 parashiot. Yitzhak Avinu, the Torah talk about him and few parashiot. And Yaakov Avinu, the Torah talk about him in 5, 6, 7 parashiot. And about Noah, that he lived more than a little bit less than 1,000 years. The Torah don't talk too much about him. The Torah talk that Hashem told him, I want to destroy the world, I want you to build a boat, and then the map will finish, and then that's it. And then Noah got drunk. That's it. The Torah don't talk to him, don't talk about him no more. And the same Adam Rishon, he lived 930 years. He had no story, nothing to tell about him. Why the Torah don't talk about him, about his life? He had an empty life. When somebody live a long time, I mean, at least the Torah should talk about what he did, what happened in his generation. My friend, you have to know something. There is some tzaddikim, they did not live long, and they left a story, and we talk about them till now, like Arizal, like the Rama, Rabbi Moshe Asserles. There is a lot of tzaddikim that there is a lot of tzaddikim that they live less, like the Rambam. He did not live a huge life, and talk till now we talk about the Rambam. The Rambam left a story. My friend, Adam Rishon, the Torah don't talk so much about him, because Hashem told him, this is the word, I give you the word, all this belongs to you. It's like Hashem created the whole world for Adam Rishon, but Hashem told Adam, do me a favor, you are the boss, but don't forget, I'm your boss. Don't eat from that tree. That's it. Everything belongs to you, but one thing doesn't belong to you. That tree belongs to me. Don't eat from that. And Adam, the first day he was born, the first day he was the boss of all the world, and the first day he did not listen to Hashem, so he missed the story. So the Torah don't want to talk too much about him. The Torah talk too much about his generation, his grandchildren, Abraham, Yitzhak, Yaakov, Moshe, that they discovered Hashem. Abraham, he discovered Hashem alone. Adam, he knew Hashem. He knew that he was Hashem who created him, and he did not listen to him. Abraham, he did not know Hashem, and he discovered Hashem, so he made the story. The Torah talk only about those who do good things. Moshe Rabbeinu, Yaakov Avinu, Yosef HaTzadik, the Shvatim. My friend Noah, yes, he was only one tzaddik in his generation, but Hashem, he told him, Noah, build a boat and bring people who will believe on me, people that they do teshuvah. And Noah, he did not do, he saved his life, but he did not do nothing for his generation. Yes, he saved his life. So a man, and at the end, once his life was saved, well, he got drunk, and instead of building a generation of people to believe in Hashem, He didn't do nothing. Look at the difference between him and Avraham Avinu. Avraham Avinu discovered Hashem alone, and then he met people to believe in Hashem. Noah, he knew Hashem. Hashem talked to him, and he did not include with him other people to believe in Hashem. So his story was empty. He had a long life, but an empty life. My friend, if Hashem give you a long life, not only to use it for yourself, you have to use it to bring other people to believe in Hashem. So my friend, there is people who has short life, but in the short life they make a story, they make it big. And there is people that they have a long life, and their life is empty. So the Torah don't talk about it. My friend, I wish you a long life and a full life of Avodat Hashem. Thank you. Bye.